Hello and welcome, my dear friends, to Luxembourg, or to Schengen to be more precise, which is a town in Luxembourg, but whatever. So, as you know, Luxembourg is a country in Europe, and now we're going to cross the border to France. Yeah, France, or something like that. So let's just go to France, shall we? Because it's just like, what, 10 meters or so. So let's go to France. So as you know, or as you might be able to tell by now, this is a border crossing video. Did I say that? I don't know. It's a long day. And here we have a sign telling us France, 450 meters. So we're leaving Luxembourg and we're going to France to eat some fromage. Yeah, just fromage. No snails and no frogs and stuff. And there we have it. France is right over there. These people are walking away from France. I think he doesn't like France. That's why he's walking. Whatever the cost, whatever the price, he's leaving France. So, but we're not leaving France. We're entering France in a minute or so. And there's a sign telling us that there might be some animals crossing the road as well. But here we are, and that's the, whoa, what, that was a dirty sign. Are we in France yet? Or was it just the sign telling us, yo, France is over there? I'm not sure, because I haven't seen a real border sign yet. But we could be in France already, so who knows? This guy's going to Luxembourg, and this guy as well. And here we have okay, I think we're in France already, but I missed the border. So yeah, that was quite spectacular. So yeah, I don't know what you've expected, but this was a European border crossing video. So yeah, here we are, France. We went from one country to another one. And yo, where are we now? I don't know. And yeah, that was it. Whatever. Goodbye. Bonjour. No, bonjour is the greeting, right? Isn't it? So what do they say when they say bye? Ciao? No, that's Italian. How do French people say bye? Fromage!